Sony's yesteryear flagship, the Xperia 1.6, is getting a fresh breath of life. The long-awaited Android 16 update is finally rolling out, and it's bringing some subtle but meaningful changes for users across Europe, including the UK. The update, identified by build number 69.2.A.2.30, comes in at around 850 megabytes. Not huge, but definitely packing a punch. This marks the second major OS upgrade for the Xperia 1.6, following last year's Android 15 rollout. And as per Sony's promise, users can still look forward to one more major update down the line. As always, Sony keeps things understated. The update log doesn't say much, but beneath the surface, users are reporting refined UI tweaks, improved stability, and faster performance across the board. According to reports from early users, the camera app now runs on version 1.0.2.A.06, bringing smoother operation and a snappier interface. There's also a redesigned settings menu, giving the Xperia's minimalist design a cleaner, more modern look. And for those concerned about security, the update includes the October 2025 patch, ensuring that your device stays protected and up to date. No flashy overhauls, no bold redesigns, just Sony doing what it does best: quiet refinement and reliable updates that keep the experience sharp and consistent. So, if you're an Xperia 1.6 owner in Europe, check your settings. The Android 16 update should be waiting for you. And while it might not reinvent the phone, it continues Sony's steady mission to polish what's already a flagship done right.